Hello people, welcome back. City Hunters, new day and a new country. Today we're in Hong Kong and I'm going to give you guys a room tour of this 4-star hotel that we're in. It's called the Hotel Tsuen Wan Hotel. So I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So I'm going to give you guys a room tour. Stay with me and catch you in a bit. So this is the lift area. We came out, we're on the 16th floor, and now let's walk. Our room number is 601. It's on that side, but first I'm going to show you the view from the window. So look at this view, quite high. That's Hong Kong, and these are the buildings then from here onwards. So I'm not really having a view from here, but let me walk towards the room and then I'll show you the room. Some nice painting, not sure what it's written in Hong Kong. So let me go and move to the room. So this is one of the rooms that we've got. So I've got a key card, of course. Just press there and we're entering the room. Voila! Okay, so this is the room, and then I'm done. So over here you guys can see me. Hi, a big mirror. Let me see if this works. Yeah, so lights is much better. Oh yeah, so let's put this on. So when you enter the room, you will see basically this one room with a queen size bed and a single bed. But first let me start here. You can hang your clothes, jacket, whatsoever here, and then you've got where you can put your shoes. This is the sink area, so it's not in a bathroom. This is the sink, a basic sink with a mirror, of course. And below here you will see the towels and some stuff. So that's the sink area. Then this is the toilet. Obviously I'm not going to show you guys, but you don't have a Japanese or a proper Chinese toilet here, or even in South Korea we did have like a proper toilet. So this is the toilet. Yeah, you guys seen it. Then let's move to the bathroom. That's the door next to it, and this is the bathroom. So you've got a rain shower, a normal shower, and that's it, to be honest. So if I walk out of this area, then let me show you guys. So what you can see is that, okay, that's the sink, and below the sink you've got some closets. This is a fridge with some stuff inside it, that with water and some juice. And on this side you've got a hairdresser or a hair dryer and stuff where you can put some important things in it. So this is a TV. You don't have a smart TV, and the view from here is not that great. I've had some more beautiful views than this. And yeah, this is then the bed. These are the beds, I mean, and the view from here is some kind of similar, which I've showed you guys. Yeah, so that's it, to be honest. Let me turn the camera and let me see. Yeah, so I mean that's it, to be honest. It's just a basic room, and it's in a good area as well, to Tsuen Wan. It's not that far from the airport, so that's good. Yeah, I'll close this vlog now. Hopefully you guys did like this one. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Catch you on to the next one. Stay with me and let's explore Hong Kong. Peace out. Ciao.